Hey there, beauty lovers. Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're someone who values bold, voluminous lashes that last all day without flaking, or if you struggle to find an eyeliner that stays put and gives you that perfect defined line, you're in for a treat today. But before we jump in, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on our honest, no-nonsense reviews. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Vamp. Mascara Waterproof and Made to Last Liner Set by Pupa Milano. This three-piece set includes the Vamp Mascara Waterproof in 001 Black, Made to Last Liner in 01 Black, and a handy bag to keep everything together. It's designed to give you long-lasting, dramatic eyes with no flaking, perfect for anyone who's tired of reapplying throughout the day. So let's break it down and see if it really delivers on all its promises. The Vamp Mascara boasts a volumizing formula that builds up without weighing down your lashes. It also promises to lengthen, separate, and define each lash for a fluttery, full effect. The mascara's formula is flake-free, which is always a plus, especially if you're someone who needs all-day wear without worrying about touch-ups. When it comes to the eyeliner, the Made to Last liner has a rich pigment concentration, which is great for creating an intense, defined line. It promises to glide on smoothly, ensuring that there's no patchiness, and dries quickly to lock in that perfect definition. Now, let's talk about the real-world testing and how these products performed during my routine. I've used this mascara several times, and the first thing I noticed was how easy it was to apply, thanks to the unique curved brush design. It perfectly fits the natural contour of my eye, allowing me to coat my lashes from root to tip with no mess. The formula itself is smooth, and the flexibility of the wand made the application feel comfortable and effortless. For those looking for buildable intensity, this mascara delivers. With one coat, I was able to define my lashes beautifully, but if I wanted a more dramatic look, a second coat really amped up the volume and gave me that intense, voluminous finish I love. Throughout the day, I didn't experience any flaking, which is a huge win for waterproof mascaras. As for the eyeliner, the Made to Last liner definitely lived up to its name. The application was smooth and the color payoff was incredible, rich and intense right from the first swipe. I love that it dried quickly without smudging, and it lasted all day without fading. For those who want a precise, defined line, this liner is a great addition to your makeup bag. Let's talk about the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. The Vamp Mascara offers great volume, definition, and length. The formula is flake-free, making it perfect for long wear. The buildable intensity lets you go from a subtle look to a bold, dramatic one. The Made to Last liner gives smooth, precise application with intense pigmentation. The set comes with a handy bag, which is always great for on-the-go storage. Now for the cons. While the mascara does provide volume, some might find it slightly heavy on lashes after multiple coats, especially if you're used to lighter formulas. The liner is great for precision, but could be a little challenging for beginners who prefer a softer line. Is this product worth the price? I'd say it definitely gives good value for what you're getting. The mascara performs well, providing volume and length without the flakiness, and the eyeliner is top-notch when it comes to pigment and staying power. Given the quality, I'd say it's worth the investment for anyone looking for reliable, long-lasting eye products. If you're considering alternatives, there are other waterproof mascaras out there, but this one's unique curved brush and flake-free formula set it apart from others I've tried. As for eyeliner, there are many out there, but the pigmentation and quick-drying formula of this one make it a standout. The packaging is sleek and practical, and I appreciate that the set includes a bag for easy storage. Both products seem to be built with durability in mind, and after several uses, they've held up well without any signs of wear. To wrap up, if you're looking for a mascara that gives you volume and length without any flaking, and an eyeliner that glides on smoothly for a precise all-day wear, I'd recommend giving this set a try. It delivers on its promises of long-lasting, dramatic eye makeup. Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in picking up the Vamp Mascara Waterproof and Made to Last liner set, I've left a link for you in the comments. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.